Hey guys, what's up? So today we are going to be doing the blindfolded challenge. So I won't look, and we have some of these papers, but we don't have all. We have some we can make up our own. But yeah, I am joined by this guest, and where are you? This guest. So yeah, why not we get started? Okay, I'm going to go first. So let me pick one. Just put those aside. And I have to draw a pencil, which will be easy. I'm going to put this back in the pile so someone else can get it. Okay, so a pencil. Go with this and get a piece of paper. Okay, I got this so you guys can focus while I'm drawing. So yeah, let's go ahead and get blindfolded. Okay, I'm done with my pencil. So here is my pencil. So this is my turn. Which name Elizabeth? Okay, so we have the back, which will be another side for me. Okay, your turn. Okay, go ahead and pick one. Or I'll pick one for you. You have to draw a fingers. Okay. We're gonna pick a different one. Let's see. Let's do this one. I guess it would be easy. You have to draw a person. Okay, go ahead and draw. Don't look. So, with that, let's get a paper. Okay, now go ahead and draw. Okay, let me write your name. Okay, so here is, get off. So, what did I draw? Was this of course? Okay, this is not perfect.